Today I will show you how you can turn a plain piece of particle board into something very beautiful. If you like this video and want to see more in the future, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell button for notifications of new videos. So after I applied one coat of watered down PVA glue or decoupage glue, I placed the top ply of my napkin onto the surface. I let the glue dry a bit before I did this. This napkin was giving me a hard time. There were so many wrinkles that I had to do something different than I usually do. I took a simple plastic folder, which has seen better days, and I used it so that I could apply more pressure to the napkin when I was smoothing out the wrinkles. This makes the napkin less likely to tear as I glide my finger across it. I trimmed off the excess napkin, and I will later on file it off. This is the other side of the heart. My young client wanted to have this design on one side, and on the other side I was free to choose whatever design I wanted. Here I'm just filing off the edges. I find this is easier than cutting them off. I couldn't leave the edges of this particle board as they were because it's not pretty, and I couldn't paint it straight away because it is particle board and it soaks up water. So what I did is I applied a top coat over the sides and over the top of the napkin. The particle board was now protected by the top coat, and I painted the edges with white chalk paint. This doesn't need to be perfect, I just need a white background for what is to come. To decorate the trim and hide the now white particle board, I used a cotton trim and I glued it on. The client wanted this to be a hanging ornament, so I drilled a hole through the particle board. Here I made a mess. I forgot that the top layer of the particle board was very hard, and as I drilled through, I made a mess on the other side, so I disguised it with a bit of gold paint. And this is the finished decor. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and stay tuned for future projects. Thank you very much for watching.